If I had a superpower, I'd be a giggle monster so that I could hear all the children laughing all day long.
If I could have a superpower, I would be Aquawoman because I have always loved playing with water guns and on water slides.
If I had a superpower, it would be turning my drawings to life so the play scheme young people could have something to play with.
I'm Izzy and my superpower would be to fly.
If I was a superhero, I'd be the Flash so I could be everywhere all at once.
If I was a superhero, I would have the power of invisibility because it would make hide and seek really, really interesting.
If I were a superhero, my superpower would be speed so that I could set up games quicker and maybe win a bit more in some games.
If I was a superhero, my superpower would be to fly, so I could take all the children's hands and fly with them and take them on some adventures.
If I was a superhero, my superpower would be to change size and be able to stretch out, because you'll have any kind of fun with it in any kind of sport.
If I could have superpower, I would have super speed, so I could set up sight nice and quick for all the children.
My superpower would be equality, to give children equal opportunities on site at play scheme.
If I could have a superpower, it would be to fly because I could get places faster.
I would have invisibility so I can win hide and seek.
If I was a superhero, my superpower would be super speed, so I could make sure that all the kids were being looked after correctly.
If I was a superhero, my power would be to teleport so I could take children to fun places.
So my superpower would be speed, and that's because I can outrun the kids then when they're chasing me for tag or in manhunt.
So, my superpower, that's a super easy question for me, honestly. My superpower is to be able to clone myself, to suit every child's needs on their own and to give their full attention, give as much time for them as possible and make it as personalized as possible to satisfy their need and give them that smile every single second of my, of my beautiful lesson.